So one of the things that you can add inside a vector are text. So to add in text inside a vector, you need to go around under the text section right here and simply click anywhere. And once you do that, the text appears over here just like this. So I can simply go around and type in whatever I want right here, and then you can go around and click and drag around the text wherever you want. You can go around and then resize the text right here, rotate it and place it wherever you want right here. So that is how you can go around and add in the text right here. As you can see, you want to add in more text, then you can go around over here, click anywhere, and you can type in something like keep on watching right here, just like this. And then you can go around and resize out the text box right here and keep this over here just like this. And now you can see that there's this two text box right here, just like that. Then you can go around, select it, place it wherever you want. You can go around and resize it and place it wherever you want, just like this. And that is how you can insert out text inside a vector. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.